how to create a border on Google Docs. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is go to insert. Then in insert, you want to insert a drawing. In here, you want to press new, then this is going to appear. In here, you want to click on this. In here, you want to click shapes, then choose any of them you like. Let's say I want to choose this one. Then you want to create it and then put it right here. After doing that, you want to put fill color transparent because we want to see the text behind it. And you want to increase the size of the border. It doesn't matter what size you increase it to, or if you want to keep it like that, you can keep it. For me, right now, I want to choose 16 pixels. After you have done that, save and close it. Now you want to select it and then put in front of the text. Now you want to adjust it so it reaches each corner of the page. And then instead of it having to move with text, put it so it's fixed position on page. Now, as you can see that there's a border on my page. If this video helped you out, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below if y'all need any more help.